Hello everyone, welcome to Lukman IS. Today we are going to have the Hindu analysis of 22nd December 2020. So let us see which are the important articles in today's The Hindu newspaper. So these are the important articles. Let us see one by one and take input for our examination. First article on page number 6, editorial page. The context of the article, the news trend that has been found spreading at very fast rate in UK, and somehow many countries have broken the contact with the UK by banning the flights to and fro from the let's say United Kingdom, and India also joined the ban here. That India too has followed the suit. Flights with some exceptions, exceptions have been temporarily suspended from 22nd December night till 31st December. Okay, so to contain the spread of virus, or we can say that to let's say obstruct the entry of that virus into the country, somehow we have banned the flights for to and fro from the UK. So name of the variant VUI 2020-1201. This is the name of the variant, the first variant under the investigation in December 2020. This has 23 mutations in all, and the single mutation N51, okay, so N501Y has been found to increase the binding affinity, making the variant more transmissible. So names for prelims examination. So though it is factual, we can say that this is going to be news for quite a time now in next 1 month, because again the spread is very much higher in UK. Variant has been growing in frequency since November 2020 and is responsible for an increasing proportion of SARS-CoV cases in UK. ठीक है, तो अभी वो वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है ना कि लास्ट ईयर जैसे चाइना में वुहान में वो स्प्रेड हो रहा था, राइट? एंड सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग इज हैपनिंग हियर अगेन. मेनी कंट्रीज आर वरीड अबाउट दिस न्यूज ट्रेंड, स्पेशली यूएस or what you can say more populated country like India and China. So they need to take more let's say precautionary measures here. Based on modeling, it has been found to be 70% more transmissible, but this is yet to be confirmed in lab experiment. Though N501Y and other mutations are found in the spike protein region of virus, it is unlikely that mutations would make the two COVID vaccines that have secured emergency use approval. कौन से है वो? Pfizer and Moderna. ठीक है, ये दो कंपनी के जो दो वैक्सीन है emergency use UK और US में हुआ है, and the ones in final stages of testing less effective. This is because vaccines produce antibodies against many regions of the spike protein, and there is also T cell immunity that would come into play to clear the virus. So though it has some mutations in spike protein, however these vaccines target different parts of that let's say spike protein. Okay, and that's why it will be effective. ऐसा नहीं कि ये mutation हुआ है तो ज़्यादा effective नहीं होगा. However, the vaccine accumulates, if the vaccine accumulates more mutations in future, the virus accumulates more mutation in the future, there is possibility that vaccine might require minor tweaking. ठीक है, तो आगे ऐसा करना पड़ सकता है. SARS-CoV-2 being the RNA virus tends to have higher mutation rate, but the presence of 23 mutations strongly suggests that the variant has not emerged through gradual accumulation of mutations. It is probably due to prolonged infection in a single patient, potentially with reduced immunocompetence. So ये कोई gradual changes होके इतने सारे mutations नहीं हुआ है, otherwise it would have been detected. However, this has been let's say somehow may have happened in a single patient which is having very low immune power. ठीक है, जो immune उसका जो strength होता है वो बहुत कम होगा, and that's why mutation happened in that patient and somehow it transmitted to other people. Okay, so in conclusion we can say that at present it is not present in India because yes, there are the sequencing of genomes here at regular intervals, it is very few, and that's why it is unclear that the variant already present in India or not. So in conclusion, the emergence of new variant with increased transmissibility is one more reason why non-pharmaceutical interventions should be strictly adhered to control the spread of virus. Now, what are non-pharmaceutical interventions? NPIs, a very important term, especially here when vaccine and drugs are not effective to control the virus. Somehow non-pharmaceutical, let's say, interventions are important. For example, hand hygiene, then comes, we can say, social distancing norms, universal masking. So these are NPIs for control of this pandemic that has been in place, but the focus should be on these three. People should be more aware about this kind of, let's say, nature of this virus, how it spreads, and then they will be acting responsibly. Okay? The responsible behavior is very important to control this pandemic. So role of society to control the virus is more as compared to role of the government. ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट इतना नहीं कर पाएगा जितना सोसाइटी खुद ये कंट्रोल कर पाएगी. NPIs. So ultimately the solution lies here. Okay. Yes. Then House panel moots law to keep a check on private hospitals. So the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs submitted report, and in that report it's recommended to regulate the private hospitals. Some of the recommendations given in this, let's say, article have regulatory oversight on all hospitals working in the country to prevent refusal to accept insurance claims. Then comes make COVID-19 treatment cashless for all people who have insurance coverage. Form a separate wing in the NDMA that will specialize in handling pandemics like COVID-19 in future. Okay. Along with that, ensure effective implementation on the ground level and address problems being faced by farmers, non-corporate and non-farm small micro enterprises getting loans. तो उनको लोन्स या क्रेडिट फैसिलिटीज मिलनी चाहिए. Along with that, ensure states deliver dry rations and allowances to children deprived of midday meal scheme due to pandemic. So this is a very important aspect. The report of this committee is suggesting or these recommendations especially to tackle any kind of future such pandemic. So regulating the private hospitals and somehow restricting the escalating prices of treatment during such pandemic. हमने देखा है कि अर्ली फेज में कैसे प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स ने बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइसेस रखे थे, टेस्टिंग, ट्रीटमेंट एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, एंड somehow that resulted into non access or lack of access to the poor people. उसकी वजह से बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुई है. फाइन. So that's why these recommendations. Then comes, yes, the common news here. We can say that just now we talked about how a government has banned, Ministry of Civil Aviation banned all flights from UK from Tuesday, that is 22nd December midnight until 31st December in an effort to keep out new highly infectious coronavirus strain that is rapidly spreading in England. Okay. So yes, the Union Health Minister Harshvardhan said that the government was alert to the new strain of SARS-CoV-2 virus in UK, but added that there was no need to panic. Okay, so the government has put in measures like Health Ministry Joint Monitoring Group has directed all passengers from UK to be subjected to mandatory RT-PCR test on arrival at the airports concerned, and that the state and union territory government set up help desk at airports to facilitate this. This is the new, we can say, advanced prepared measures that are being taken. जैसे ये शुरुआत में हुआ था, हैफाजर्ड मैनर में नहीं होगा, प्लान्ड मैनर में होगा सब चीज़ें, तो दैट इज़ गुड थिंग, वी कैन से दैट. So on vaccination, he also talked about in any week of January we can be in position to give the first COVID vaccine shot to the people of India. So again, this is good news that the vaccine will be soon rolled out in the country, and the priority group will be given these shots first. Fine. New irrigation model to help desert villages. So geography GS1, environment section GS3, in essay you can use this, or those who are having geography optional as a case study. The new model of minor irrigation through subsurface porous vessels, subsurface porous vessels, that is being developed in Thar desert region to benefit the farmers with small land holdings in the villages of Thar desert. Now this experiment or initiative that is supported by IIT Delhi's Rural Technology Action Group. Okay, so it is found that higher yield of farm produce and improvement in the nutrient value of soil after installation of these frustum shaped vessels at the mounds formed. You can see here the woman is forming this frustum shaped, and at the center there is vessel. You can see that SSPV, that is subsurface porous vessel, with the storage of 8 to 9 liters of water, supplies it to radius of land measuring 1.5 meter, 1.25 meters. You can see here, and then in the surrounding region somehow we can grow the crop, especially the crops vegetable and horticulture. ठीक है, तो ये किसके लिए ज़्यादा है, तो वेजिटेबल एंड फ्रूट्स के लिए ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव है. The Thar desert, we can understand that there is a low availability of water in that region, and somehow we need to conserve the water along with, let's say, agriculture practices. So such kind of efficient agriculture practices are needed. So the model has effectively modified the watering by pitchers and competes with drip irrigation. Drip irrigation method को एक alternative मिल गया है. SSPV is made of location specific clay and sawdust mixed in proportion to suit the desert stand. So local area से जो भी clay और sawdust होगा उसी को साथ में ये बनाया जाता है. There is no need to, let's say, buy any external raw material to prepare for that. Fine. So this is the new, let's say, kind of minor irrigation method that is being developed. टेक्नोलॉजी इंटरवेंशन जिसको हम बोलते हैं, सो इरिगेशन मेथड में सब सरफेस पोरस वेसल्स. फाइन. सो यस, these were important articles from today's The Hindu newspaper. For further information on editorial discussion classes or ED classes, wherein in-depth analysis of mains related issues and articles is done by Ansari sir and team, you can contact Lukman IS. Thank you.